Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. Here I'm applying my face primer, and after that I apply my foundation and then my concealer to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, and my nose, my jaw.
I can tell that you really like to start. Let's see more pay, and the life for the party. The life for the party. I know I like these songs. I know I like these songs. And the way that I move is naughty. It's naughty. It's naughty. I know I like these songs. I know I like these songs.
After applying my foundation, I kind of messed up my eyebrow, so I went in to correct it with a little bit my eyeliner.
Oh yeah, meditate. Oh yeah, see me yo. Tell me that she see me on the TV yo. And then she say she wanna give me yo. If I give you one more, you go give me yo. Oh yeah, duro no. Timati soro mi o soro mo. And I be sorry.
Yeah, I'm applying my eyeshadow. I really went in with something light colors and not really too sharp. And after that, I'll do the other eye behind the camera. Yeah, apply my eyelashes and my lipstick behind the camera.
Let's more pay and the life for the party. The life for the party. I know I like these songs. I know I like these songs. And the way that I move.
So, yeah, this is the final look of the makeup. You can see, let me come closer to the camera. You can see how it is, how it turns out to be. Not too much, very simple, very mild. So that is it. This is it. You please, let's be safe in this period. It's very difficult and it's a hard time. Hence, put on our masks and always sanitize our hands. Thank you all for watching this video. Please, once more, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Mwah.